Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
You could share Chief Imam. In the party resistance against the new Busta register. Kwa yati amuniku bese mkuno aka omuno abum womone electoral commission twendawre ewo register wire na agite bobeto newo hona nemo akofa foforo aba ewo abato emi na nti ayekuku tie chief ma ene impempo ahodo aka ayehihie okonese ye fasa akumo nso na yede achechiro mu nti yan amamefu bese kuno ken fukra civil society bese your 9 enwotwe airport 48 no wo nyina asidi na eche wo mu amfo asose obanyi ya be friend ka fudu 833 million almost a billion Ghana na yede akudi saidi na ayeka na enra yekopie mu chi ma nsemiya na mo de tu yani kane ene se chief imam me kasa mafo a ye friend Sheikh Aremia memene da no continent TV3 akoka nsemiya chief imam bo Andrews na mpenifo a ewo chief imam chenso bo Andrews enkankane chief imam representative ba ogina na name ewo a committee of eminent advisors because chief imam is supposed to be represented on the committee. You know, we be our kasa with chief imam do ana say obegina na name aka nsebia complete on the way forward for the register. Na ha drink. Eti sa Sheikh Aremia yes on the katama chief imam nkobo die na okodi ewo TV3. That and one contradictions with the it I say could you for about the crack out the plan. Say womo and support to side you register. Na you no san ag. Omunyi na so di na omo di atuka. Na sawa pe so no oni could you for ye juba kakra. Nti what na video ni so no. Okasa as a representative of two important groups in this discussion. Could you and a chief imam. Meanwhile, could you for say Omobo do register? Ononkwa Ameria no say nani Sheikh Aremia say nani register no. Chief imam they be also no ultimately a conclusive statement because where opinion you the name nyam na wo hwe nso a ye ka omo ejina omo aso biro biase afene nyina we chief imam fi mu anyi nti no na ebe de be nwa se obesuma ni spokesperson do mo kasa ase etine na akwese papa no na ono nko ani view na oka etine na ekoshia papa ni mo shake na shake no sha bitu we chief imam yene no edi nkomo e sa register system eba nsema chire ebi ni senti a ye amanugo ni na ye me senti agana food na aso mumpe e kan ne class enye ye nkoa na ye ka ye mpe enye civil society organization nkoa na so mumpe se bi wo mu tibamufo wo mu ewo mem ha omo na kwa ho ediga dolufo a wo mu tipemi ton ade apofo a wo mu kopo wo mu nyina na ye so wa tie wo mu statements a wo maye across the country say wo mu support new register it say e kwa ko be wo mu be oboduma ho wo mu duma no so ma nko na ko akomo bi omo omo ni omo ire no mo omo ni omo ba no wo mu guada intino say e ko ba de say yes abe e sa gi no massa for sunlight afi kwa ye no kase still almost sunlight for Ghana ka with me comment and how to be not to be register and right as the asha of central region in western region among back with book registration center of ebudin obi MP kra na wa be show me maka se mo ni mo hari etino sa ye mari na inform various people with various reasons to kick against this register etino echechiri mu bia kire papa na papa ne se masema amuka no epaso na yabato aye ko ne sɛ yɛafa nkɔmmɔdie yɛn bi yɛayɛ wo nkɔmmɔ ante yɛn ho ase afa nte aseɛ ne gyidi akɔ a oye ne na de bɛbrɛ yɛ nti yɛsan sɛ yɛpɛ asomdwie wɔ abatoɔ no mutu na ɛho bɛnyia sɛ nkɔmmɔdie bɛkɔ so yisi no ɛne parties no ɛne civil society organizations no ɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ enti no ɛno a meeting no ɛwie fɛfɛɛfɛ ɛwie anigye so na yɛgyidie ne sɛ da nkɔmmɔdie ɛno nso bɛfɔm the foundation for a more informed discussion yɛawɔ that nhyia ɛwɔ IPAC eti ɛno a na chief imam nkɔmmɔdie a ɛkɔdie ɛnɛ yɛne former president Rollins ɛne former president John Adekum Kufuor ɛne various institutional including National Peace Council ne National House of Chiefs ɔmo nyinaa yɛde yɛsɛm akɔdan ɔmo sɛdeɛ wɔnim last week yɛde bi kɔdan yɛtumfoɔ ɔsɛe tutu the second wɔte kɔkɔɔ so sɛ wɔno nso ɔfa n'ani onyam ne sɛ UN ne wiase afɔ ne nyinaa abɔ na butue sɛ wɔno ɛna ɛba asomdue a wotumi di mu akotɛn na ne dwumadi a wɔdi wɔ Ghana a ne mo so ani ne nti no ɔno nso ɛmfa n'ani onyam ɛmbi gyina mu na wɔndi asɛmi ɛho nkɔmmɔ ɛma yɛ na timamufoɔ ɛbrɛ timamufoɔ ɛkasa wɔno ankasa ne nananom ɛne ne mma a ɛwɔ asomtimamu nso ɛkasa ɛno koraa na ɛma a otumfoɔ ani ba asɛm no ho a wagye agyina mu sɛ wɔbɛtu ho anamɔ enti no yɛwɔ gyidie sɛ saa mpanyinfoɔ wei a sɛ bi wɔ previous Nyankopɔn ama ɔmo nyansa soronko a wɔn ɛde ɛtoto nsɛm bi te sɛ nea abɛyi no yɛwɔ gyidie sɛ wɔn de saa nyansa no ɛbɛboa ama yɛtumi asɔrɔ saa problems yi a electoral commission ɛde abɛyi a yɛne na ɛtwe ho daawe.
Okay. Enra moko ye chief imam on said an kasa mafo no ekotena kasa mfoni bi so edi tu dwa no efa ye new register no no oye convinced efa nchirimu amode ma ya na.
In fact na me kasa mafo na se mo ko kan wa fidie ni so krapo de na de bu pese na aba papa no efiri ho no because papa no enso ma se won ko ka bi na one of the instances one kasa ko dina da bia ka na asem na amanfo afa ne se wo kasa ma tifima eti na enwo asem aba wo ahemfi ho de minia enya adeketo ase no mu nkawie eno de ye omu fi asem so ofu but the most important thing is papa no ese nkumudi wunya se yisifo no mo betwe no mo tie timamfo because timamfo ena sebi o tumi ni wo mo nsem timamfo ena bibia o na mo bia o bitu bia na ya affect you na enye timamfo nko ayem political party rap no ho yi susaso a ewo yeso no enya adekitu enti no chief imam etu yefo se nkomodie no ese yitimi edi tan nkomodie no na yisi no so nya so pa na odi tie se de be ya na monama a wo tu ni dwumadi a wo tu obedi ne kwan pa so ama mfaso aba oman ni na enti no yo gidie se ye de nsem na koda no wono nso so kokoamu obetumi afre electoral commission no na tabiwo afutuo bi e wo no watimi di ama na bibie so de ne nsi ho no de ne nsi ho but ya wo da no committee of eminent advisors no ye kwa akosia omo nyina ewo IPAC no na nkomodie ewo ho no na edi se de ana no meka o fidie so no ye gidie ni se nkomodie na ye kwa akodi no na shafi nyina be se ye kwa akoto sa idea na o so mo de compile register for no atwene baby na ya hwepan ye betimi SCC ni a share current system no mu ekena na ye de register na ewo ho na etimi akoto aba.
Okay. Na yɛhwɛ ɛyɛ register yi ɛne ɛho komodi anyame yɛ adoma ya wada ɛbɛba so yi osusu sɛ ebetimi ya dane ɛyɛ decision bi ya electoral commission no take ya na
ebetimi ya dane decisions ni bebre le sent ne sɛ ya chiche nsɛm no mu akyerɛkyerɛ mu na ne nyinaa so paso na menema di hu komo bebre ɛwɔ afi ne yɛ ka nyinaa ne sɛ yisi wo so ka so yɛ register for okoto machine for now ko Ghana for then now ko register the people. Say you may deal in our couple year, who say over 833 million. I have close to $1 billion Ghana. Now, you must have said, the one says that Ghana, near my officer, you're looking at you in our paper, I won't touch man. Answer yes, a big yes, no correct yes. Say, Tanya Mom Pessom, you know, looking at I want to register. Nearly kind, about what is the a woman to move at night. Your data center, they are your information, they know information. I put it in the idea, a down as a ball. It's any time you are Papa registration, your Papa to have a year for data. Near the device, now a from verification device, BVD device, near the Akotuaba. And now, apart from data center, any DVD device, now you have the Kokotuaba. Yes, I want another machine here, a friend of BVR registration kit. That registration kit, and on every BVR, a very limited registration exercise. You have go around the various electoral areas, new polling stations, and the registration. So the BVR will be actually. Now, who through you will BVR kits this year, near be, at the account, main register, no, data center. And on the fourth component, a BMS system, voter management system. That voter management system, and we system here, or for example, a cover by based on some court ruling in 1996. To be the 18 and to see a train now, limited registration, and now the main registration, and our register. It me call district office one of them, echo to redeem. Now, our BMS system, no one designed in such a way that Ochu will be an other car register, no, data center. It's also our core components, data center, biometric verification device, near Oko police station, and it's scanning within our people with yes. And our system now, registration, no quite picture of picture now, Udu Gugumuti, and now on Satia, a giving United Sunagania manner, and on their registration kit. And our BMS system, they are fixed with district office. And no, a use transmission, they also fast walk, a transmission, say, or register, I will transfer with the other data center. And now say, to a very kind of that transmission system now over the transmitted results. And no now that I 2015 to our year a Yanamudi almost out to my demand a car will be a kill system, woman to me they declare results. It's tough for components region. Say the mess I say want to meaning I want to now okay say for your word. Ubetimi ayeli na webiba ye di kai data center die and dia shelves bi wo and equipment bi enema server intiantia bi ewo server no simple server running on Windows if you running on software I friend Oracle bi that niema ni na no software na ya outdated na market ubetimi akoto abi install immediately want to dey Windows 7, Windows 7, there was an after Windows 10, and now Windows SP, and now Windows 10 Windows. Who bet me install? And now you be so almost a data center problem, then almost air condition. And I say, air condition could you? And yes, now air condition, you know, who create data center and any equipment, any information in the book or ever. It doesn't make sense. It's an go to air condition, can I'm on Many more say, you more hard, now person data center of and when you answer over information in there, when you could see data center for our non value, we see we are fire condition, there's a 13. It says that a maritime authority boss, or Koto air condition 13, the share that back. Or the Koto air condition 13, never says I data center. Not to machines now, 7 in our still, yes, I did now. Information there was a national. And we have over to actually. We are say what pay hard guy. Now they are treated now they are good news about us. So, who can say data center? It doesn't affect the register, it doesn't affect the information. Until we have over to a data actually so registration for. Can who say? So, Mukas or more registration for registration in Kakano. Registration now you see the police station to police station wire it cost 390 million Ghana, almost 100 million Ghana. That year the first cannot to see a a school dine Marco,
Okay.
80. So I can 80 no, only school dine I make a community days in high school. The Siena SCB or Quabina. And to the time you imagine a news and many out, which a Nancy and Minister will be there, or to the Tanabino.
Okay.
Secondly, Mark, secondly, DVD devices. I device now about police. Mostly I hear also the time it came, but more refurbished. And that's a child devices, yeah, so and I know yet to you be 30,000 polling stations or Ghana and then district assembly election. What you mean your devices need to every polling station as an extra standby. Total devices are used 1 year 68,000 according to movies for 68,000 devices. So move 68,000 devices near 30,000 polling stations. It means that every polling station, yeah, we're in your class. You need to be in your best and you look and I need to be any standby. Now, we share one analysis of my almost 80,000. 80,000 now we're getting to know. We're more 262,000 in our action. No, my papa got 80,000 devices. Mark, we said you know who was 62,000? We should hear 80,000. The same thing, who 262,000 actually. Now I have to put 80,000 devices. I didn't know who to be can account. 62,000. We hear I ain't how the account I 80,000. 12,000 pieces. It's either now 12,000 pieces, you know, and account. Who can count almost 12,000 pieces, you know. Wamukota, and wording, but and no problem, no yet. And yes, no bad saying. This system, I must say, you also. Said you look at iPhone 11. Now, Okoto, look at 3310 and yen and a board. Mark me beside iPhone 11 and it look at 3310 yen and a board. What's the system need obsolete? Every end of life. System every end of life. No board in change over the top system for. It is not possible. It is turning that and Uncle Wady anymore. It is 62,000 equipment. Say, no person will swap. Next one, no one is about to be account. Young fan is the equipment in the crowd for no one to chama a bread a year. When the young service said, when I was you, said, now treat and I district assembly election. With the $2 million as services are equipment with net media to about Ghana and our problem I'm bound. If Japan is saying that Muntimi only used to have 2 million now, the answer is inflation for the count. If you have to be more, yeah, about 3 million. If I say that Moon says that 3 million of Fanco fixes our equipment, so you fan to about a perfect year. You had to district assembly elections. If your house on Yansan in Musa, who can it's literally a task. And your device, verification device, your fan twitch. One other issue of all raising is manual verification, a cost. Manual verification, the cost of it. Child verification device, I would have this way to mail the computer. In the Musa say, any part, and one more use machine now, 18 verified. Mona was here, say, the past 72,000 and at 2016. One more to our body engineer.
Okay, Peter, Yana, your face, you honor, yeah, to us.
No, Mark, me by my main rap here. You say, yeah, it's the one who here. Now, much member for Swatia. The now know about 2 years, 2 years. We pay 5.4 million at 2 hours. They must take 2,000. A year of 0.6%. This 0.6% pen engineer use verification device. But also manual verification high in 2% equipment. Into facial verification. And now, I'm going to say facial verification now, but okay, any problem. I'm not so yet. Now, so the facial verification device nowadays. As I said, register now over that pictures also are pictures near you really friend high resolution pictures, you know. So data no, koto facial verification device. Yeah, that device now has a camera. Into by a cow you say now match system no say within and answer when you register as well. Engineer koto facial verification device. About to do a what do data no episode to say the will do kukromoti DNA so. Now the IF verification, I mean, you have to register in actually now on top of it. It also is solved. a transmission system, a VMS system, and an online system, which we use. A use satellite. Nancy a satellite in a one set. Intimi ma amount for intimi and breaking through a secured. In fact, we are happening in our beta IT one better choice. Satellite is the most secured mode of transmission. Once set a VMS system, no, say this act may use another satellite they use. And yet, when I know the chance and then also in chance, who can say we use MTN. Shani and now we better put now to be the MTN higher one memoir. Will be a use MTN, yeah. Who send it a picture house and you use 1 second and PS me use 3 hours maybe I send it. And to whom yes, that night I don't know secure, I don't know to you try the name and the hotel. We in preference that satellite now we use because of your own copy. Your friend shared bandwidth. Bandwidth in space now we usually get 12. If you use the transmit information, it's just that we're more trying on limited registration size now. Information in team come and in it's in your year, you probably be dedicated satellite. Not what to bandwidth in our space in the eye. It's no transmitting data, no data they are in. As you said, then within 1 second, when you start you win, when you say, obey IT experts to understand this thing. It's meaning in a crowd, so transmission system. Mark, if I register, transmission system now the transmitting results, if I register, I say engineer so to register. And tuition reasons of your money in and Tassu. And I'm yeah, money. Any Incanca civil society organizations are winning this year. I have previously the commuter MIUC. Women in our company. I deal with Flacadam business. And now we manage 4 year analysis of share price, a year value for money on the Tininium. But why you see the actual child registration ratio? Close to 60%. 60%. Adding.
Okay.
We are saying, I want to say, I will near Quaco say 60% more. Now, who go to photo? Everybody say, I am wow, man. Ain't you telling you more with the command? Chief man named and no, you say after
okay, Mate. Now, and Moko shake, Aremeya, oh,
my father, I'm here for a young cotton.
okay.
Would ye or ha exi punk no needs FM.